Alright, so I think I should stand up. So before I answer your question, I would really like to address everyone who's standing out here. What's up, St. Rocks? Too much of energy, isn't it? Too much of energy. Now, this is how I want each and every one of you to live your life. It has to be energetic, it has to be positive, it has to be highly passionate and, of course, hard work, confidence, without any insecurities. I will get back to your question. You please be seated. I got your question. All right. So, yeah, I had my best friend speaking so much about me. Or since she's already spoken everything that I wanted to speak about. Also, my dearest respected teachers, Rekha ma'am, Ruchi ma'am. I didn't study in your class, but I surely know you because you've been on since all these years. I really want to say how nostalgic I am feeling right now, standing right here in front of my St. Rocks family, with whom I have been associated since 10 long years. Yes, I got myself admitted here in senior kindergarten, senior KG. My interview was taken rightly by respected Navita Jagna ma'am, and since that is when I know her. And I feel so happy and overwhelmed to have received such a grand welcome. Thank you so much. I cannot redeem how grateful I am right now in words right here. Alright, so to answer your question, I really want to let all these students right here to know how important working hard is. We all have our insecurities, we all have our doubts. There would be someone who are not happy with the skin tone that they have. I've always been a dusky kid. I've always been dark because I've always been a person who's been into sports, a tomboy. Yeah, I've been a tomboy. I've never been feminine, like the way they stereotype women as. I've never been that, and I never want to be that. Let us all promise ourselves that we should break stereotypes. We don't want to be living the way the world asks us to be living. We all should have our own plans. We all should have our own voice, our own opinions that we keep rightly in front of our parents and walk towards the path of our dreams. So, 6 years back, I was studying I just passed 10th standard, and I realized my dream. I had this single thought in my mind when I rightly won College Icon of the Year in my St. Rocks Junior College. I wish Prem sir was here, which I really respect him for. I won College Icon of the Year, and that is when I had this thought, I think I should try pageants. But I was far away from what I look like today. But 4 years of hard work has that been. 2014, since 2014, am I been trying hard. You know what, children? You need to analyze that this is your dream. Plan a path towards it. Know yourself, understand where you need to work on. No one is perfect. Standing right in front of you right here, Nehal Chudasama, Miss Universe India 2018, I say that I am not perfect. I am not perfect. Not even is any of my inspirations, any of the people that I admire are perfect. None of the human beings, no one is perfect. But you need to work on yourself, work on where you think you lag behind, and be at a position that you admire to be at. Alright, so I'm sorry to be consuming your time, but getting back to your question, I don't have words to tell you how I feel right now, standing here, being crowned as Miss Universe India. If you all can make out through my expression, it was a surreal feeling. I will never be able to state that in words, never be able to state that in words, because the amount of hard work that I've put onto reaching this place, I cannot say that. Only my younger brother, who has been my highest support, knows what I've been through. People, I have fallen 100, a million times. Trust me, innumerable, infinite nights have I cried, missing my mom, missing the place that I want to be at. Every night for hours, that I couldn't make it this time. Not a problem. I think I will get up back the next morning and I will reach there. To be very honest, I tried my luck at the respected pageant twice before I won this. I couldn't make it back in 2016, 2017. There were people who were throwing words at me saying, you can't do this. You need to realize what you're good at. I'm an anchor. People ask me to host events, continue doing that. I'm a fitness consultant. People ask me to do that. But they just suggested me leave the path. But I knew where my heart was, and I want each and every child sitting here to realize where your heart is. If that is morally and ethically correct, follow the path of your dreams. Fall million times, but get back up the other morning, and I can assure you, you will win. Thank you. Thank you so much.
आप हमारे स्कूल की शान, हम आपको प्रणाम करते हैं। जीते हैं आप इतनी बड़ी खिदमत।
I remember myself fumbling that way in a lot of competitions. So, girl, I got to know what you want to say, and thank you so much. Let's have a huge round of applause for her.
I will repeat that.
Yes, please.
आप हमारे स्कूल की शान हैं, हम आपको प्रणाम करते हैं। आप जीती है आप इतनी बड़ी खिदमत, इसलिए सॉरी मैम।
Okay.
स्कूल लाइफ,
So, I have a lot of memories. But one thing, each and every class teacher of mine had to say two things. One, that your daughter is very intelligent, she's brilliant, but she's very talkative. And I remember listening to that 1,000 times, and I just feel that is something that is in my mind right now. So this is one memory I'll keep throughout my life.
I'm sure everyone over here will be able to associate with your memory. Okay, any other questions? Please come forward.
to ask you, but I would like to say something in your honor. Simple, confident girl of my school has become the star following all the rules. She has won the title of Miss India Universe. Next, my wish, we wish, may you scale the highest, whatever. Thank you.
I got you, child.
I think Nehal, everybody when they see you, they forget their lines. I think that's what is happening over here.
That is something that happened with me every time I saw my principal. I'm like, oh.
So these are also words of inspiration from your side, I guess. Okay, anyone else would like to say something? Please come forward, Rajveer.
सिंह खदरी फ्रॉम स्टैंडर्ड 9th B। नेहल दीदी, आपके बारे में कुछ पंक्तियाँ कहना चाहूँगा। नेहल दीदी, आपकी क्या बात है, छोटी सी उम्र में आपने पहना यह ताज है, चारों तरफ आपके नाम की है धूम, खुशी और आनंद में सब रहने झूम। हर पल आपको हमारा सलाम है, ईश्वर से प्रार्थना कि आप पाए अपना मुकाम।
Thank you so much.
Neil ma'am, I also want to ask a question to you. Ma'am, Surbi Didi told us that you are working as a fitness instructor. Then what inspired you to take part in the beauty world?
That's a very good question. I would like to let all of you know that whatever I am today, whatever profession I have been pursuing, whatever achievements I have in my life, it is because of this one dream. I dreamt of being crowned as Miss Universe India a few years back, and whatever path I have hence chosen is because of the same reason. So yeah.
थैंक यू मैम।
I would really like to end up saying that life is not easy. This is especially for all these children sitting here. आपके मॉम डैड, आपके पेरेंट्स आपको बार बार ये कहते होंगे कि बेटा ये करो, ये करो, ये मत करो, ये करो. That is because children, they are right. That is because they have 30, 25, 30 or 40 years of experience. They are right. I'm so glad to have been standing here because I trusted what my father asked me to do. He has been a person who's always trusted me because he knew I was intelligent. He trusted me because he had faith over me. He trusted me because he knew I wouldn't do anything wrong. And that is what I want you all to know, that never in your entire life do anything that is ethically or morally incorrect. जिंदगी में आगे बढ़ो, एक दूसरे को सहारा देके, किसी को नीचे खींचकर आप कभी ऊपर नहीं आओगे. आपको काफ़ी लोग ऐसे मिलेंगे जो आपको नीचे खींच रहे होंगे या आपसे कहेंगे कि तुम उसे नीचे खींचकर ऊपर आओ, लेकिन that is not the right path. If I had done that, I wouldn't have been here, and if you do that, you wouldn't achieve anything in your life. Be right, be true to yourself, be honest with each and everyone around, and be humble. ज़िंदगी में प्यार बांटो, तब आपको प्यार मिलेगा और ज़िंदगी प्यारी बनेगी. This is what I want to say. धन्यवाद.
तो आप बताइए कि आपका यहाँ पर हम स्कूल में आए हैं जहाँ पर आपने खुद 10 साल तक की एजुकेशन की हुई, तो आप बताइए ढेर सारी मेमोरीज आपकी यहाँ पर ताज़ा डेफिनेटली हो गई होगी. और मैंने नोटिस किया कि आपने कुछ भूले नहीं हुआ, सब कुछ जहाँ तक मुझे याद है आपके. तो बताइए कि कैसा है एक्सपीरियंस आपके स्कूल में यहाँ पर आया.
जी, जब आप 10 साल किसी जगह पर बिताते हो अपने टीचर्स के साथ, फ्रेंड्स के साथ, इन दीवारों के बीच, तो मुझे नहीं लगता कोई भी इंसान उन सब चीज़ों को भूल पाएगा. बट आज मेरा एक्सपीरियंस काफ़ी खूबसूरत था. अब ये जो चीज़ एक बार हुई है, शायद ये आखिरी बार, एक ही अपॉर्चुनिटी थी ये, और ये मैं ज़िंदगी भर कभी नहीं भूलूँगी, कभी नहीं भूलूँगी.
क्योंकि जब आप इतने इस स्कूल में जब आप एजुकेशन करते थे, आपने पढ़ाई की थी, तब आपने सोचा कि ऐसा कुछ होने वाला है लाइफ में, देन मिस दीवा, देन मिस यूनिवर्स के लिए आप जाएंगे, ऐसा कुछ आपने सोचा था, ऐसा कुछ होने वाला लाइफ में?
जी नहीं, मैं ऐसी बच्ची थी जो अपने प्रेजेंट में जीती है, और मैं अपने प्रेजेंट में जी रही थी, मार्क्स स्कोर कर रही थी, स्पोर्ट्स जा रही थी, कल्चरल एक्टिविटीज़ में पार्टिसिपेट कर रही थी. मेरा मिस यूनिवर्स इंडिया ये खिताब जीतने का जो ड्रीम है वो कुछ सालों बाद आया, जब मैं मैच्योर हुई इन पर्सन, और तभी तो ऐसा कुछ नहीं था. बट आज जब यहाँ खड़े होकर मैं उस टाइम के लिए सोचती हूँ तो मुझे बहुत उत्साह फील होता है.
ओके, स्कूल की कोई ऐसी चीज़ें जो आप यहाँ पर आकर आपने आज ऐसा सोचा हो, तो ऐसी चीज़ें जो बदली नहीं हुई, अभी भी चेंज नहीं हुआ है आपके अनुसार, आपने ऐसा कुछ देखा कि
मेरी स्कूल की खुशी मनाने का तरीका अभी तक बदला नहीं है जी. हमारी स्कूल काफ़ी एक ग्रैटिट्यूड एटीट्यूड होता है हर इंस्टीट्यूशन में, लोगों में, वो अभी भी उनमें है. जो कोई भी हमारे स्कूल में आते हैं, हमारे स्कूल में मिल्खा सिंह जी आकर जा चुके हैं, एंड वो एटीट्यूड अभी तक है, बहुत ग्रेटफुलनेस वाला जो एटीट्यूड है वो अभी तक है.
ओके, तो क्योंकि हम सभी का सपोर्ट तो है, इंडस्ट्री से क्या फीडबैक मिल रहा है आपको, हिंदी फिल्म इंडस्ट्री से क्या फीडबैक मिल रहा है मिस यूनिवर्स के लिए?
अभी फ़िलहाल मेरी पूरी फोकस मिस यूनिवर्स पे है, और मैं दूसरी अपॉर्चुनिटीज़ जो काफ़ी जगह से आ रही है, मैं उनमें अभी फोकस नहीं कर रही हूँ, और मेरा टोटल फोकस मिस यूनिवर्स पे है.
ओके, तो अब क्योंकि दिसंबर में होने वाला है सिंगापुर में, तो कैसी चल रही है आपकी तैयारियाँ? हर दिन जब उठती हैं तो अपने आप को वो ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ करती हैं जो आपको वो मिस यूनिवर्स का क्राउन दिला सके?
16 दिसंबर को थाईलैंड बैंकॉक में होने वाला है मेरा मिस यूनिवर्स 2018 कंपटीशन, और ऐसी पैशन, हर इंसान के अंदर एक पैशन होता है, एक जुनून होता है. जो जुनून मुझे इस मुकाम तक लाया है, वही जुनून आई बिलीव मुझे उस मुकाम तक भी लेकर जाएगा, और उस जुनून के साथ मैं रोज़ सुबह उठती हूँ, बहुत मेहनत कर रही हूँ इतने दिनों से, और आगे भी करती रहूँगी उस मुकाम तक पहुँचने.
तो एक फाइनल क्वेश्चन कि उस 16 दिसंबर का इंतज़ार हम सभी को है, तो आप इस डेट को लेकर नर्वस होती हैं या एक्साइटेड होती हैं? क्या कुछ होता है दिमाग में जब ये 16 दिसंबर का?
मेरे माइंड में नर्वस और एक्साइटमेंट दोनों बैलेंस्ड होती है, क्योंकि वहाँ सिर्फ मैं अकेली इंडिया ही नहीं, वहाँ पर बहुत सारी इस कायनात की सारी कंट्रीज़ होगी, अपने बेस्ट कैंडिडेट्स को उन्होंने भेजा होगा, तो नर्वसनेस होती है, बट मैं उन सभी को मिलूँगी, एक अलग ही अपना एक्सपीरियंस होगा, तो उसके लिए मैं एक्साइटेड भी हूँ. सो इट्स अ बैलेंस थिंग.
ग्रेट, गुड लक.
थैंक यू.